Oh, licks and grooves. This is a groove mixed in kind of with a lick. It's got an insane feel to it. Why don't you break down really simply what we're playing?
Well, basically, it's just yet again over a shuffle groove. The basic point of it is just to make it feel good.
Yes, come on.
So,
which for you is like breathing in oxygen. Since you're
sometimes
so
it's difficult.
dang good, man.
It's difficult, but yeah, for the most part, as I said before, in gospel music, there's obviously straight and there's shuffled.
Yeah.
And just while playing the shuffled groove, just remembering the accents. A one dia, a two yeah, a one dia, a two yeah, a one dia. Yeah, you gotta feel it like that.
And I felt like Lion King right there.
Yeah.
You knew as soon as you did it,
as soon
didn't
as you said it, I just knew it. Yeah.
You knew it. So why don't you break down the simplest form of this groove, the first thing that's written on the PDF, so they can kind of get a hang of it.
Okay.
Man, I love this groove. Now, as we develop it, there's all kinds of different things we can add. Why don't you just introduce another idea? And then we'll PDF it as we go. This is awesome. That's what I love about the licks and grooves things. It's super just on the go, man.
Okay, well, I'll probably just add another hi-hat stop. I love hi-hat stops.
I can tell, man.
Yeah.
I love them too, especially when you're playing them. Unreal. So the other thing you've done, I mean, there's so many variations of this, and we'll offer you guys a couple different of them really quick, but in order to keep it moving along, what's that other thing you're doing where you're ultimately playing a sextuplet at the end, and you're just giving us those quick shots on the kick?
On the kick?
Yeah.
I'll do it right now.
Alright, now like the rest of us normal human beings, can you please play that a little slower? Because that's killer.
Okay.
I want everyone to grasp that. If you haven't already got it, if you've already got it, I'm sure you're a whiz too. But
No, I'm pretty sure they have it. But I will slow it down because people like me, I had to do this at an extremely slow pace just to get the feel of it. So, yeah.
awesome, man. That's killer, dude. Thanks so much for sharing this with us and breaking this down. Now it's my turn to go practice this and actually learn this idea. Why don't you play us out on it and show us a couple other ideas in the way of just different options of different ways you might play it.